Alright guys, we're gonna get down in here and do a little bit of squirrel shooting and terrorizing here after some Show Me State Bushy Tails, and Benjamin's gonna kind of bone up on his rifle utilization skills here and learn how to become a better shooter. So, here we go. As usual, we have the wind to deal with. Now today in the Show Me State, west central Missouri anyway, we are looking at feeling like low 30s anyway. Got west northwest winds at 20 plus, but we're in a river bottom, so hopefully it'll cut off a little bit here later on. Always love being down in these places. It's a blast. Oh, while Benjamin's loading his rifle here, I'm going to show you what he's going to be shooting at. Found an old can here, back here in this junk pile. I'm going to put it up here on a little, tiny little stick sticking up out of the ground. Ought to work pretty good. And the man is getting ready to take his shot. So let's just get out of his way. Actually, I just put a hole in it right there to make sure my rifle was in working order and to give Benjamin a little bit of confidence here. But I just wanted to show you that that was my hole there. Okay, now we're ready, right? Cool. Fire in the hole. You want to see if you hit it?
Yeah.
Well, you might have, unless the wind moved it. Because I can see my hole there, but I also heard some leaves. So we'll try it again with another can maybe. Here we go. This will be a little better deal for him right here. Take a little shot at this plastic bottle here. A little bit bigger target. And make sure we keep track of our ammo now. There it is. Put that spent cartridge in there and get you another one.
I think we have to aim to the left.
One thing that we're going to have to remember here is something we're going to need to correct with Benjamin here is he's a right-handed shooter, but he's left-eye dominant. So we're going to need to work on that. And that's going to be something we're going to work on during bow season too. Fire in the hole, baby. That's okay. That's alright. That's why we get out here and practice. We're going to try it one more time and then take a crack at those bushy tails. Okay, we're going to get just a little bit closer this time, and this is our 5th shot here. See what happens here. Just take your time. Did you hit it?
I saw it. Oh, I did. Yeah.
Cool. Check it out here. Well, what do you know? I think Benjamin just told me, he said he's been hitting it, but we just haven't been inspecting the bottle, or the plastic bottle here. But you can see those holes in there. Those are seriously more than one hit. So, as a matter of fact, I think there's one right there too. So, looks like you are doing all right. We should have inspected the bottle, huh? Good job, man. Huh? Proud of you. Grab your spent cartridge. What do you say? We're gonna go get after some bushy tails here?
Yes.
All right. stand straight through there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where I got my firearms buck this year. Saw all kinds of squirrels in the area when I was hunting too. Maybe a better shot at the stand there. You guys watch that video. It's my firearms book that I took this November. Straight through there about 40-50 yards, kind of southeast of the stand was where I got him. I dressed that deer out right in here, and I tell you what, I can see no evidence that he was even here. Coyotes cleaned him up pretty well, huh, Benjamin?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if we can find some squirrels down here in this pristine river bottom area, because I know they're down here. They sure come around when you're deer hunting. Well, I saw the dirt behind it. Let's go check it out. Well, I didn't see that hole in it when I picked it up. I don't know, that might be a little small though, but I did see the dirt behind it. Fly up. Practice, baby. Just keep on doing it. We're gonna sit them out for a little bit and see if we can let the woods go back to normal here after us walking through and invading them. See if we can settle down and see if any bushy tails decide to show themselves. Big Ben sitting over there. Quick scan of the woods here. Take your time. All right. Hey, bud. Where'd you go, man? Let's go check it out. What you got? Oh, yeah. Nice. Cracked it good. Where'd it go, bud? Practice makes perfect, right?
Looks like it's been recently drank.
Never know what you're going to find in these river bottoms, huh? Well, we've been combing the area here for bushy tails. Nothing yet, so we'll see what he can do with his next target. And there's the man of the hour, folks. Ready? Okay, put you another one in there. Try it again. Ready?
It's hard when your hands are full.
All kinds of stuff that happens when you're hunting, huh? Just take your time, right? Squeeze it off. All right, got it that time. We'll still take a look at it here. Ah, there we go. All right, dead on, big dog. Nice one. What do you think? Cool? Cool, cool, cool. 10-3 Jones. There's a pocket of beans over there. Harvested beans, of course. And we're looking kind of east here. You can see that stand right out in front of me there. I got a decent little buck out of that late October this year. You can check out that video on my bow hunting vlog, late October. Nice little flat in there it's overlooking. We've seen a lot of squirrels in here too. Of course, they always seem to come out when you're deer hunting, don't they? It's like with Don with the Winkiedoodles channel. It says that they kind of appear from a alternate universe or someplace when they know they're not being hunted. Maybe we ought to start hunting squirrels from a tree stand. See, we've got a possum tree here, guys, but I'm trying to teach Benjamin the ethical thing to do. We really don't have a safe backdrop on that thing. And it is coming down. There it is right there. I wish I could just get it on the ground somewhere. Give me a little bit better shot. Only thing is I don't think it's going to be down here when we got enough light to see what we're doing. Well, this is cool. I don't know if we're going to be able to see this or not, but the landowner's dog here heard the shots. Bird dog, trained pretty well. Went over there and we're over here. Where are you going? She's got the possum, but she's taking off with it. I guess if we want our possum, we're gonna have to catch up with her. Alright guys, it's too late for videos, so you're just gonna have to listen to this. This is hilarious. Okay, I shot this possum, and the landowner's dog, being the good bird dog that she is, takes off across this creek right for the bottom of the tree where the thing hit, and grabs the possum, takes off back across the creek, and more than likely is seeking out the landowner, because that's what she's supposed to do. When she gets game, she's supposed to find the landowner. Of course, she didn't realize that it was two different people that were hunting out here. But she's finding the landowner, which is where she usually takes her game when the landowner shoots it. So I thought that was hilarious. What do you think of that, Benjamin?
That was cool.
Just got off the phone with the landowner, and he said that the dog likes to retrieve the animals, but she will not take them back to the person who shot them. She'll run off with them and probably eat it on her own. So he and I both got a charge out of that. She took that possum and just took off with it. I wish I would have been able to show you that footage, because that was hilarious. Oh well, you know the deal. Happy hunting, y'all.